Let's take a look at review problem 4.18. We have this inclusion-exclusion problem. To do this problem, we will use the exclusion-inclusion principle. We have three different sets: Spanish, French, and Russian. And the magnitude of Spanish, union French, union Russian. So the magnitude of the set will be equal to the magnitude of S plus the cardinality of F plus the cardinality of R minus the cardinality of S intersect F minus the cardinality of S intersect R minus the cardinality of F intersect R, then plus the cardinality of S intersect F intersect R. So this is the rule that we will need to use. And the one thing that we don't have is the number that have taken courses in all three languages. We're given that 2,092 students have taken at least one of the courses. We know that 1,232 have taken Spanish, 879 have taken French, 114 have taken Russian. Spanish and French is 103. Spanish and Russian is 23. And French and Russian is 14. So the one unknown is the number of students that have taken all three languages. And so now that's a straightforward algebra problem. And just doing the arithmetic, we find that the cardinality of the intersection is 7. Now to check this work, we can draw a Venn diagram. So we figured out that it's 7. To check the work, we can draw a Venn diagram to make sure that we did the arithmetic correctly. So we'll draw a Venn diagram. This will be the Spanish circle. This will be the French circle, and this will be the Russian circle. And we found 7 to be in the intersection. And so if there's 103 that have taken both Spanish and French, that means 96 are in this part of the picture. If we have 23 that have taken Spanish and Russian, so this total is 23, which means there needs to be 16 here, so that these two numbers add up to 23. And 14 have taken French and Russian, so if there's 7 here, we need to put 7 here so that this intersection totals to 14. Also, there's 1,232 people in this circle, and so if I do the subtraction, I get 1,113, so that these four numbers add up to 1,232. These four numbers must add up to 879, which leaves 769 in this circle. And then Russian is 114, so these numbers add up to 114, which leaves 84 in this circle. And if we add up all 7 of these, we should get 2,092. So the way to actually solve this problem is given here. The Venn diagram is a tool that can be used to double check the work to make sure that we got the right answer.